All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look here at number 4. We want to solve this triangle, which means that we want to give 6 pieces of information. We want to give the measurement of the 3 angles and the length of the 3 sides, and they always do half of the work for us. They'll give us half of that information. So we've got the measure of angle B being 49.6 degrees, and the measure of angle C being 40.4 degrees, and the length of C being 9. So we have 2 angles and the non-included side. So since we have a known pair, we know the C's, we can use the law of sine. We can say that the sine of C divided by C is the same as the sine of angle B over B. Now, I wanted to choose the B's because I have one of the B's, I have the angle. I don't know anything about the measure of angle A or the length of A, so I have to start with the B first. So I've got the sine of 40.4 degrees over the length, which was of C, which is 9. I have the sine of angle B, 49.6 degrees, and now we can find the length of B. We're going to cross multiply. And set these products equal to each other. So along the green diagonal, we have 9 times the sine of 49.6 divided by the B times the sine of 40, but I'm immediately going to divide by the sine of 40 to get the B by itself, well, 40.4. So let's go to the calculator. I've got 9 times the sine of 49.6. Don't forget to close that parenthesis. Divided by the sine of 40.4. I'm getting 10.57. All right. So we can easily find the measure of angle A because we know the other 2 angles, and the triangle angle sum theorem tells us that the sum of the 3 angles inside any triangle always add up to 180. So if I take 180 minus the sum of this 49.6 and this 40.4, I'll have the measure of angle A. (180) minus the sum of those 2 angles, 49.6 and 40.4, 90 degrees. All right, so here, let's shrink this up a little bit so that we can have some more room. I'm going to return to that given pair. The C's. I've got the sine of C divided by C is equal to the sine of A, which we know to be 90, over A. So the sine of C was 40.4 over 9. The sine of 90 over A. I'm trying to figure out A. Well, I know what the sine of 90 is. The sine of 90 is 1. So instead of cross multiplying, I'm just going to take the reciprocal of each side. 9 over the sine of 40.4 is equal to a over 1, which is just a. So I take 9 divided by the sine of 40.4, 13.89. All right, so let's check and see if we've got everything. We want 3 angles. They gave us 2 of them. We found the third angle to be 90. The length of A we found to be 13.89. The length of B we found to be 10.57. And they gave us the length of C, 9. So we're done. We found the missing information, the missing 3 pieces. So we have solved the triangle. Talk to you later. Bye.